Well, hello my beautiful and amazing crafters. Welcome to another video of Crafting with Shaneda. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to assemble these adorable and easy to make embroidery hoop ornaments just in time for the holidays. So for this project, you'll need some embroidery hoops, and they come in different sizes, so you can definitely choose the size that you want to go for. In today's tutorial, I'll be using a 3-inch embroidery hoop, and I will list all the items in the description box below. Now that I have this size, I'm going to go into Cricut Design Space, and I'm just going to insert a circle and size it at 3 inches. So that way I could create my designs within that perimeter area. So I found these designs in Canva and just uploaded them into Cricut Design Space. And now that I sized it perfectly in my 3-inch template, I'm going to go ahead and send it to cut, and I'll be using white HTV and glitter HTV vinyl. Now I'm going to be hosting a class with 30 students, so I'm going to be preparing these embroidery hoops for my upcoming crafting class. I'm so excited. I'll make sure to share the outcome of my class. So I'm going to go ahead and get these ready to be assembled. These are bamboo wood embroidery hoops. This one I have here was a plastic embroidery hoop, and they both work well. I believe the wood, you definitely can paint it and jazz it up a little bit more if you didn't want that wood color, that natural color. And because there's different sizes, you can definitely go smaller or even larger, just depending on what you have in mind. Now that my design is cut out of the heat transfer vinyl, it's time to prepare the next item that we'll need, which is pattern cloth. So I picked up these pieces of fabric from my local Walmart, and I picked up this from my local Dollar Tree. So I had a few different options to choose from. So what I'm going to do is just place the embroidery hoop right on top of the fabric, and I'm just going to cut around it. I'm going to make sure that I give myself enough wiggle room so when I place the fabric in the embroidery hoop, everything will just fit perfectly. For today's project, I'll be using my Cricut mini press to iron on the HTV vinyl onto the fabric. This was a warm peel. After about 10 to 15 seconds pressing with the mini, and it adhered nicely. Now I'm just going to unscrew the embroidery hoop. And separate the two pieces. The bottom piece without the hardware, I'm going to put at the bottom, place the fabric on top, and then rescrew the top embroidery hoop. With the remaining pieces, I'm going to go ahead with my scissors and cut around the excess fabric. And I'm just showing you here, this is where if you want to paint this, you can prior to assembling. But I like the way the natural wood color looks, gives it a farmhouse look effect. And now it's time to add a little bit of embellishments on top. I created this little bow in Cricut Design Space, but I wanted something with a little bit more greenery, so I cut out these little leaves, so that way I could add a little pop of color. And now all you have to do is just add a ribbon on top so you can place it on your Christmas tree. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope you learned a little bit or a lot. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. We would love to have you here. Until next time, we'll see you on the next video of Crafting with Shaneda. Happy crafting!